My name is Debbie Reynolds. They call me the Data Diva. Today I want to talk about data privacy and a Washington State AI enhanced video evidence case. So there is a case that was going on in the state of Washington. It was actually a triple murder case in the state of Washington, and the trial, someone had cell phone video. And in the cell phone video, the person that was on trial, their legal teams hired a video company to use artificial intelligence to enhance the cell phone video. The judge in this case was Leroy McCullough. He actually prohibited the use of this video into evidence because it was enhanced by AI. When they looked at the video, what they found is that the video had things in it, and the AI version had things in it that were not in the original video, and then there were things taken out of the original video that weren't in the actual evidence. Also, they thought that there were debates around using artificial intelligence to enhance video is an unverified method, and I believe people think this is the first court case in the U.S. of its kind where AI video evidence was tossed out as a result of them thinking that AI wasn't, the technology isn't as transparent around the processes. They wanted to make sure that the jurors were not unduly influenced by something that actually did not happen. So wanting to really get that fidelity in that video and not have it influence people unduly as a result of maybe some magic that happened in this kind of video production. This is pretty significant as we see more artificial intelligence being used in many different ways. I think courts will have to grapple with the idea that evidence is supposed to be something that should not be tampered with in a way that could possibly, give jurors information that may not be true or may not be accurate or influence them in some way that's not the way that it should be. So I think it really introduces the big question about how AI is going to be used in a case, especially as it relates to evidence and anything that could possibly maybe change evidence in the future. So I think this is a huge issue. I think that without really an established guidance around how artificial intelligence is going to be used in court cases or how it should or shouldn't be used, I think this is going to be definitely an open question that we'll see maybe argued for or against in different courts. But I think this is a significant case to be able to look at. The judge's reasoning why he decided not to use this AI enhanced video in evidence. So I think that this will be an issue in the future that a lot of us will be looking very closely at. Thank you.